Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make 1000 Island sauce. First, you'll need to gather your core ingredients: mayonnaise, ketchup, and sweet pickle relish. These three form the foundation of our delicious dressing. Make sure your mayonnaise is full fat for the creamiest texture, and your relish is sweet, not dill. Having everything ready before you start mixing makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's introduce some key flavor enhancers. Finely mince a small amount of fresh onion. About 1 tablespoon works well. Then, add a half teaspoon of garlic powder for a subtle kick. A dash, around 1/4 of a teaspoon, of Worcestershire sauce brings a wonderful savory depth. Finally, a small pinch of paprika not only adds a touch of color, but also a mild, earthy note to the sauce. Now it's time to bring everything together. Combine your mayonnaise, ketchup, relish, minced onion, garlic powder, Worcestershire sauce, and paprika in a bowl. Stir gently until well incorporated and the sauce is a uniform color. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper. For best flavor, cover and chill the sauce for at least 30 minutes before serving. Your homemade 1000 Island sauce is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect for topping your favorite salads, adding a zesty kick to sandwiches, or as a delicious spread for burgers. Store any leftover sauce in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 1 week. Remember to give it a quick stir before each use. For more great recipes and other deals, be sure to check the description below. Enjoy your culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.